નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6th subject English grammar lesson number 24 reported speech. Students, in our previous video we completed teaching points related to reported speech. How we convert any direct speech sentence into indirect speech and indirect speech into direct speech. Or related to that things, we studied about different types of rules and regulation. Now based on that our teaching, we have to do exercise A. Exercise A's heading is given here, C. Exercise A, convert the following sentences into reported speech. Now here, downside some sentences is given here. We have to convert it into reported speech or indirect speech. Okay? So open your English grammar textbook, page number 91, exercise A. I read the question sentences from the textbook and I write answers here. You have to complete all the answers as I written on the board. Okay? Understand, student? So now let's start our exercise. Sentence number 1. Sentence number 1 is given here. Please bring your car along, she told him. Here direct speech sentence is given here. Exact word of speaker is given here, means reported speech. Please bring your car along. Subject she is given here. Him is a object and told is a reporting verb here. Can you remember that things, different parts of sentence we discussed in our previous video. So now we have to convert it into reported speech or indirect speech. Okay? So now what's happened? First of all, we have to take last part of the sentence front side. She told him. So she requested him here. We can use different types of reporting verb according to the condition is given here. According to the condition we have to use different types of reporting verb here. So she requested, first sentence, she requested him. Till here subject, reporting verb, object over. Now we have to remove inverted comma and comma. Okay, and we have to do changes according to the tense. Then pronouns we have to change, time related words we have to change. All the changes we have to do and complete it. So now it's become like that. She requested him to bring your car. Instead of your means his car alone. Can you understand, student? Here our first sentence over. We convert it into indirect speech. What's happened? She requested him to bring his car alone. According to the pronoun I changed, reporting verb changed, all the things required we have to change it. Second sentence is given here. Do not enter the staff room without permission. The matron shouted at the students. Do not enter the staff room without permission. The matron shouted at the students. Now, which is subject here? The matron is subject here. Shouted is a reporting verb here, and object of the sentence is the students. Okay, and the reporting speech is given here. Do not enter the staff room without permission. Now we have to convert it into indirect speech. So it's the matron. Second sentence. The matron prohibited. I put here prohibited as a reporting verb. Prohibited the students. I put object here, the students. The students. 'from entering'. 'from entering' 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 ' entering the staff room, without permission. So now we converted into indirect speech. So the matron prohibited the student from entering the staff room without permission. Now third sentence we have to understand. Third sentence is given in your textbook. If we are going to Japan for summer vacations, Harry told his neighbor. If we are going to Japan for summer vacations, Harry told his neighbor. Which is subject here? Who speak? Harry. So Harry is the subject of that sentence. Which is the reporting verb here? Told is the reporting verb here. And who is the object here? His neighbors is the object here, and reporting speech is there if we are going to the Japan for summer vacation. So what's happened now? See, Harry informed. I put here informed as a reporting verb. Informed his neighbor. His neighbor joyfully that they were going to Japan for summer vacation. Summer vacations. Okay? Can you understand? Harry informed his neighbor joyfully that they were going to Japan for summer vacation. Okay? Can you understand, student? Yes, very good. So I take the tenses here. See, where going I put instead of are going. Means are going is a present continuous tense. Instead of present continuous tense, I put the past continuous tense. See here, tense changes. All the changes we have to do. We don't have to do let's just anything here. Now fourth sentence in your textbook is given here. If you cannot do me good, do not harm me either. Sam said to Sandra. If you cannot do me good, do not harm me either. Sam said to Sandra. So now what's happened here? Fourth sentence I write as an answer. Sam requested Sandra. Sam requested Sandra not to do any harm to him if she could not do him any good. So this becomes Sam requested. I put requested as a reporting verb here. Subject is Sam, object is Sandra. Not to do any harm to him if she could not. Here instead of cannot, I put could not past form. Could not do him any good. Ready? Understand? Now sentence number 5. Sentence number 5 is given here. Live in peace, said the bishop. May God be with you. Live in peace, said the bishop. May God be with you. Now we have to convert it into indirect speech. So it's becoming like that. The bishop blessed. The bishop blessed them to be in peace. Be in peace. And prayed. That God be with them. God be with them. Okay, understand, students? So now what's happened? The bishop blessed them to be in peace and prayed that God will be with them. So according to the rules and regulations, all the changes we have to do. Here our 5 sentences over. Okay, students? Now student, sentence number 6 we have to see. Sentence number 6 is given in your textbook. Last but not the least, we must prepare ourselves for the predict recession. So sign the chairman and at the meeting. Now 6th sentence, what's happens here? Sentence number 6. I write this. The chairman ended. The chairman ended the meeting with a nod. With a nod that they must prepare themselves for the predicted recession. Now, sentence number 7. Most amphibians spend their lives in water and only come out to feed or reproduce. The scientists explained in the seminar. Most amphibians spend their lives in water and only come out to feed or reproduce. The scientists explained in seminar. Now, what's happened? 7th sentence. The scientists explained. The scientists explained in the seminar that most amphibians spend their lives in water and only come out and only come out to feed or reproduce or reproduce. Understand, students? The scientists explained in the seminar that most animals spend their lives in water and only come out to feed or reproduce. Now, sentence number 8. I have nothing to do with this crime. The man was pleading, please do not arrest me. I have nothing to do with this crime. The man was pleading, please do not arrest me. So it's happened, the man pleaded that he had nothing to do with that crime and requested not to arrest him. Not to arrest him. Ninth sentence. No one can understand the causes of the recent shipwreck. Russell was saying, I have found a new captain Fedicum in with some rolls. So now, Russell mentioned that no one could understand the cause of the recent shipwreck. When Freddy came in with some rolls and declared to his captain that he had found a clue. Here our 9th sentence. Russell mentioned that no one could understand the causes of the recent shipwreck when Freddy came in with some rolls and declared to his captain that he had found a clue. Now 10th sentence. Sentence number 10. Enter in and remove your slippers at the right side of the temple. The guide was saying, "What about shoes?" Someone from the crowd shouted. Enter in and remove your slippers at the right side of the temple. The guide was saying, "What about shoes?" Someone from the crowd shouted. Now what's happened? The guide was instructing. The guide was instructing. The guide was instructing the crowd to enter the temple, enter the temple and remove their slippers. At the right side, when someone from the crowd shouted to ask what to do about the shoes. The guide was instructing the crowd to enter the temple and remove their slippers at the right side when someone from the crowd shouted to ask what to do about the shoes. Okay, students? Here our 10 sentences over. You have to complete all the answers as I written on the board. With that, our exercise A over here. Remaining exercise we have to see in our next video. Thank you for joining us